Hello everyone and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 60. Today we share an awesome Google add-on for Google Forms called AutoMastery. So I'm back from the Georgia Educational Technology Conference with lots of great ideas, tools, and sites to share with you all. One of the sessions that I particularly enjoyed was Leslie Fisher's Group Smackdown. I think it's probably my favorite one because of the rapid pace and the diversity of technology tips. It was just really good. Now, one of the many great things shared during the session was a thing called AutoMastery. It's a Google Forms add-on from a lady named Mary Ellen West. Mary is a Google innovator who created this add-on as her innovation project. I'll link to both Mary Ellen West and Leslie Fisher's Twitter pages in the description of the video. So what does AutoMastery do? It allows you to send students assignments based on their scores on a Google form. But it's not just assignments, it's really just hyperlinks and feedback. So the hyperlinks can go to any kind of website or Google form or quiz or template or anything else you might want it to do. Let's take a look at it in action. Okay, so I have an example quiz here. It's basically a Google form that's set up as a quiz, and it's got 10 questions, each of them are worth 10 points, and I've already put the right answers in there. So if I distributed this to students, we'd get responses back. I can actually go into each of the questions if I need to and provide correct feedback or incorrect feedback. That's basically all I can do. What happens if they get it right? What happens if they get it wrong? The problem with this is that I can't then chain out different assignments based on their total score for the quiz. And it's hard to correct all the misconceptions because the feedback for incorrect answers is all generic. I mean, it's one feedback for any given incorrect answer. So that's where this plugin comes in. To activate plugins, you simply go to the three dots, or what's known as the kebab, and click add-ons. Now, you'll notice that there's a puzzle icon here, and so some people will go up here, and there is an add-ons button here. The problem is Google didn't make it very clear. When you come here, it only shows the add-ons that you currently have activated across all of your Google Forms. So you need to actually go here to the kebab and go to add-ons first, and it'll take you to the store where you can then search for things. So we're going to do a search for AutoMastery. You'll see it there. It's by maryellenwest.org, and just click on the free icon. Tell it what account you want to use, give it permission to work, and once it's activated, you'll see a little pop-up here. It's going to basically tell you how to use this. You need to have 3 links to 3 separate assignments you want to have, and have those kind of ready before you get started. You can click Learn More and be taken to the help for it, or just hit Got It. So you'll click on the icon now and go to AutoMastery, and you're going to configure this. In the configuration, you need to set your mastery score. So mastery for this might be a 90 or above. Beginner score for this might be as low as, let's say, 65. There are 3 categories here, and they each have a different link where you can put them in here. The extension one is given to them if they've reached a level of mastery, so 90 and above will get this link. The progressing assignment link will be given to any of those who score in between the beginner score and the mastery, and then the beginner assignment link will be there. So let's say I have a YouTube link that I want to send them to, which is a video, in case they're just not quite getting this concept. That could just be all that we do. We send them there, or you could actually send them to a link to Edpuzzle, where they would watch the video and answer more questions based on that video to ensure that they get it. The progressive assignment link may be the next assignment they have to do, and then of course the extension one might be something that you challenge them to make a model, or challenge them to put together a video or something like that in a different assignment. So these assignments, these links don't, of course, they can be anything. They can be a Google form, they can be a template to a slideshow or something like that. Here you'll customize the actual subject of what it will look like when they get the email, and then the body of the actual email, what it's basically going to say. And that's really the extent of it. You hit save when you're done. You can always come back and make modifications of this. But if they go through this and they take the test, then if they score low enough, they're going to get a certain email with a certain message and a link. If they score in between, they're going to get a different email with a certain message and a link. And if they score really high, they're going to get a third email with a message and a link of your choice. I think this is really strong because it allows you to automatically give enrichment or remediation. It allows you to differentiate based on their performance. And it does it all without you having to take any real action on that. You don't then have to go in and grade it. You don't then have to go in there and send them additional things. And these can continue to chain react, because the next quiz you send them to, if they score really well on that, then you give them another link and another, and so on and so forth. So it's really all up to your imagination. All right, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it useful. And if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Heck, why not support us and click that subscribe button? Leave a comment for an idea or a Tech Tuesday video below. Share this video with your friends. Go follow Mary Ellen West and Leslie Fisher on Twitter. And we'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.